G'day gang, and welcome back to Quick Math. Today we're going to be talking about what an improper fraction is and what a mixed numeral is. So these are strange looking fractions, okay? We've been dealing with what are called proper fraction, where the denominator or the bottom number is bigger than the numerator. But in these ones we've got ones that look a little bit strange. For example, 17 over 8 and 3 1/7. Okay? The easiest way to kind of visualize what these are is through an example. So let's say that you ate a whole pizza, okay? You ate 8 out of 8 slices. So each one of these you ate. If we write that as a fraction, you had 8 out of 8. But let's say your mate couldn't finish them and you ate 3 out of their slices. So of their pizza, you ate 3 out of the 8 pieces. So in total, you ate 11 pieces, okay? Each slice is an eighth of the pizza, so you had 11 over 8. Another way to kind of look at that is that if each slice represents an eighth of the entire circle, right, you've eaten 8 of your slices, so each one is 1 over 8, which is how we get to that full number of 8 over 8, plus your mate's 3/8. So that's how we get I've eaten 11 eighths, okay? So the takeaway point is that an improper fraction is where the numerator is larger than the denominator. But we could also write this fraction in a different way, and we're going to go back up. So obviously you've eaten one pizza, right? You ate all of your pizza, so we can write that as a whole number. You ate one pizza. Plus you ate 3 out of 8 of the next one. So we can just write this without the plus in there, and we've got 1 3/8. Okay, so what we're really saying is that it is 1 plus 3 over 8. But because mathematicians are lazy, we're not going to write that plus in. You can just ignore it. Okay, so a mixed numeral is when we've got a whole number and a fraction together at the same time. So the most important skill that we need to develop in order to use these fractions well is that we have to be able to recognize when we got a whole number from an improper fraction. So we could see there that 8 over 8 pieces, if I ate 8 out of 8, I've obviously eaten one whole pizza. So 8 over 8 equals 1. I know that if I ate my whole pizza and my mate's whole pizza, I would have had 2 pizzas in total, or 16/8. So this gives the whole number of 2. Okay, and we can see this pattern emerge. 24 over 8 is equal to 3. So in order to get really good at this, you do need to be well on top of your timetables. But once you've got that down, I'm sure you're going to find this nice and cruisy. Thanks very much, guys, and I'll see you later. I hope you guys found that helpful. Just a reminder that there are some free worksheets attached in the description below relating to this very topic. I also put up a PDF of the notes so you don't have to copy them from the video. If you do need any additional help, please don't be scared to send me an email. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel for some more quick math.